Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK next generation flash style EK Quantum Combo Unit. So friend, EK is a leading premium liquid cooling gear manufacturer and is releasing the next generation of its versatile flat style combo unit, the EK-Quantum Kinetic³ FLT D5 series pump revisor unit are equipped with genuine D5 pumps made in Europe and capable of delivering flow rate of 1000 liters per hour with a maximum head pressure of up to 5.2 meters, and there's new FLT series combo unit are available in 6 different sizes: 92 mm, 120 mm, 240 mm, 140 mm, 280 mm and 360 mm, and additionally G1 4-inch connection port, front mounted pump for added versatility, and side and back mounting holes for flexibility during installation, and custom-made inner O-ring that provide coolant from shipping between the channels and improve flow, and dense LED strip are implementation and user-friendly LED cover for LED strip service. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.